Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to our news channel. Today, we are talking about two important issues. And yes, in this episode, we'll talk about two topics. The one is passing of Ustad Zakir Hussain, one of India's most celebrated musician. And then we'll discuss Thomas Piketty's thoughts on inequality and wealth taxation in India, a topic that affects us all. Now, don't worry if these topics sound heavy, we'll break them down uh, and understand their impact and learn something meaningful along the way. So, grab your headphones or speakers and let's dive right in. Yes, first is Zakir Hussain. First is regarding the Zakir Hussain, a legend who beat the rhythm of peace. When we talk about Ustad Zakir Hussain, he was born in the year 1951. And Zakir Hussain was not just a tabla player, but a cultural bridge between India and the world. Tabla, what is tabla? Yes, tabla क्या होता है हम सब ने देखा. It's a small traditional Indian drum, but in Zakir Hussein's hands, it turned into a global instrument of peace, rhythm, and art. He was born into a musical family in Mumbai. His father, Ustad Ala Rakha, was also a tabla legend. Imagine growing up surrounded by the beats of tabla every day, and Zakir Hussain inherited these gifts but went on to innovate and make tabla popular across the world. And उन्होंने सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं, जैसे आपको मैंने अभी बताया कि ग्लोबली उन्होंने काफी ज्यादा जो तबला को दुनिया भर में पहुंचाया. And he performed at global concerts, collaborated with many international musicians, and he had won 4 Grammy Awards. Yes, he had won 4 Grammy Awards. The highest recognition for music in the world. तो वो सिर्फ इंडिया तक लिमिटेड नहीं थे, उन्हें बाहर भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने जाना. Now, the question is, what made Zakir Hussain so special? First, it was his incredible skill and creativity. See, tabla playing is a complex, ठीक है, क्योंकि उसमें स्पीड चाहिए होता है, कोऑर्डिनेशन चाहिए होता है, डीप अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ रिदम चाहिए होता है. और जाकिर हुसैन ने बहुत अच्छे से तबला जब बजाते थे तो ऐसा लगता था कि पूरा मैजिकल हो गया है. एंड सेकेंड, ही बिलीव्ड इन समथिंग बिगर देन म्यूजिक. इट्स कॉल्ड syncretic culture. Yes, syncretic culture. Right? So syncretic culture. Right? तो ये इसका मतलब क्या होता है syncretic culture? Syncretism is about combining different culture. Yes, different cultures and ideas. Different cultures. Different cultures and ideas, religion, into something harmonious. So Zakir Hussain embodied this idea. And growing up, he recited the Quran, sang hymns of Bible and devotional songs of Mother Saraswati. तो एक तरीके से वो सिर्फ एक कल्चर या किसी एक रिलीजन तक नहीं लिमिटेड उन्होंने अपने आप को रखा, बल्कि his this kind of upbringing taught him to value all religion, cultures and people equally. And इन्होंने इंडियन क्लासिकल म्यूजिक को ग्लोबल स्टेज में लेके गए. He didn't just play the tabla for Indian audiences, he mesmerized the world. उन्होंने अपने म्यूजिक से मिलियंस, हजारों लाखों लोगों को, करोड़ों लोगों को इंस्पायर किया और लोगों को समझाया कि किस तरह से आर्ट it can transcend borders and differences. Right? So Zakir Hussain abhi at the age of 73 San Francisco में उनका he passed away, and he was having a lung disease and he was hospitalized for a couple of weeks. तो सभी ने उनको श्रद्धांजलि दी. Now, अगर हम बात करते हैं कि what is Zakir Hussein's legacy? First of all, he turned the tabla into a global instrument. He became a teacher and a mentor for young musicians, and he showed that music is about bringing people together regardless of culture or language. Right? तो अब इसके बारे में अब हम दूसरे आर्टिकल के बारे में बात करते हैं. राइट? तो let's talk about something different. Inequality and wealth. राइट? तो इस आर्टिकल में बात की गई है कि इनइक्वालिटी और वेल्थ के रिगार्डिंग कि अब क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है उसका. और एक्चुअली एक बहुत फेमस इकोनॉमिस्ट है, थॉमस पिकेरी. Okay, Thomas Piketty is a French economist, right? Economists, who are economists? Economists study how money, jobs, and resources work in a society, right? So Piketty talks a lot about inequality. But what does that mean? See, when we talk about inequality, it means unfair distribution of opportunities, wealth और resources. Inequality का मतलब क्या होता है? Inequality means unfair. Yes, unfair distribution of opportunities, wealth or resources. For example, some children can go to good schools, others cannot. Right? Similarly, some people have access to doctors and hospitals, others don't. And in India, inequality is a big challenge because we have a very large population, but not everyone gets the same opportunities to grow and succeed. Right? अब थॉमस पिकेरी का क्या व्यू पॉइंट है, वो क्या कह रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स? थॉमस पिकेरी सेज द रियल प्रॉब्लम is not just wealth, but opportunity. Right? तो वो ही क्या कह रहे हैं कि रियल प्रॉब्लम इनइक्वालिटी में किसकी वजह से है? अपॉर्चुनिटी. कैसे? Many people in India don't have access to quality education, clean water, healthcare, or sanitation. Now imagine trying to study for school without clean water or good health. It's really tough, right? This lack of resources makes people less productive. In simple terms, they cannot add much value to the economy because they don't have the right tools. And for India to grow, we need to invest more in schools, hospitals, clean drinking water, and other basic infrastructure. This will give everyone, especially the poor, a fair chance to succeed. Right? And, Piketty also suggests taxing the wealth of the rich to reduce, inequality. तो अगर inequality को reduce करना है, तो जो wealth है, rich की wealth है, उसको tax करना जरूरी है. But is that a good idea? See, not everyone agrees. Why? Much of the wealth of billionaires is held in company shares like stocks. Stocks क्या होता है? It's paper wealth that only becomes real when it is sold. So taxing this kind of wealth might cause disruptions. Instead, we can focus on existing taxes like income tax or capital gains tax. The idea is not to punish the rich, but to ensure that more people get the resources they need to succeed. Right? So, what can we learn about inequality? सबसे पहले जो मेन बात है उसमें हम ये समझ सकते हैं कि इनइक्वालिटी की जब हम बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहली बात, everyone deserves a fair chance, है ना? Everyone deserves a fair chance. Yes. तो पहली बात, fair chance. A good education, health, clean environment, ये सब क्या है? Basic needs है, ये luxuries नहीं है. ये बेसिक नीड्स है. Secondly, productive. Productive. The more skills and values you add to society, the more you can achieve. Third, empathy. Empathy matters. Why? Because when we understand the challenges others face, it helps us build a better world. So here's a question for you. How can you help reduce inequality in your community? Maybe volunteering, sharing knowledge, or even spreading awareness. कई बार लोग इसीलिए opportunities को access नहीं कर पाते क्योंकि उनके पास awareness नहीं होती है, knowledge नहीं होती है. तो अगर आपको कहीं से कुछ पता चल रहा है that it can be beneficial for them, so why not sharing that knowledge with them, right? So today we talked about two important stories: legacy of Ustad Zakir Hussain and Thomas Piketty's views on inequality. Now, thank you for tuning into today's news episode. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to share it with your friends and teachers. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep learning. All right. So that's all for today's episode. Bye bye.